We're at Camanche Monument RV Park on the trout pond sites. The last time we were here, it was January and it was raining and everything was nice and green. Now it's September, so nothing's green anymore. Everything's dry, but still nice over here by the trout pond. Full hookups. We are site 9, and this is the space we have. You have a asphalt driveway. This one has a tree stump instead of a tree. You can't move the table, but it is nice and long. When we got here, the fire pit had been cleaned out nicely. The boys slept in the tent.
We have a 42 count.
But yeah, we love this campground. We spent our evening and morning watching about 5 deer, I think. I took a little video of a couple of them. That is site 10. And that's it. That's what it looks like in mid-September up here. So that is site 10 on the trout pond. That one is site 11. Couple of things I didn't mention earlier. There is good cell signal here. We were able to use our phones for internet and for phone calls, no problem. You might have noticed that across from these particular trout pond sites, this area is a wastewater treatment area. If you're concerned about smell, we have never ever had an issue with smell there. We have 2 big dumpsters across from us. We had a raccoon come through. I think the night before we got here, our friends had a skunk come through. So the usual camping critters exist around here. Today is Sunday, so people are packing up and clearing out. But yeah, so good cell service, a few camp critters to be aware of, lots of water this trip, and that's about it. Mid-September, and this is the highest step I've seen this water come in a while. Like, we've been here and there's been water here, but not this much right here. Cool. And I don't know what sites those are, but those are cool sites right there, especially when there's water in the lake. Yeah. I mean, there's always water up this high, but it's not this much water. So these spots are back ends. I think we stayed on one of these ones once. 88 right there for reference. Yeah, got the boats pulled right up. We did stay on one of these. We stayed on, yeah, with that wind sport on it, I think. Looks like that one's 83. And then John and Sally were where that toy hauler behind them was. It is a gorgeous day. Has that boat slip always been out there?
That's one of the boat launches right there. Lake transformed a little bit, it looks like. Probably that one time we were swimming. I don't know.
I think that one time when we were swimming out here, it was super low. And that was Memorial Weekend. That was earlier in the year.
Drought.
Yeah, it was just a drought year. Oh, that is a big doggy. Yeah, so over really far is the boat launch. So that's the South Shore boat launch. There's a little Marina store over there too. My kid was already up there. There's definitely ice cream there, I can tell you that much. That's a nice spot when there's water up this high. So is this one. You can see the water from this one too.
Shade right there on that one.
Yeah. That's 77 right here. And 77 or 75 has the legend on it. That one doesn't have a view though. You just see bushes. 73 is empty. These are all back ends. 71 is empty. Really pretty out here right now. $69. Yeah, when we were here that one Memorial Day, remember how far out you had to walk?
Yeah.
And that water is all the way up right now. $65. $64. Yeah, that water's up nice. There's a porta potty there. This RV park doesn't have showers or real bathrooms, but it does have a couple porta potties here and there. The tent campgrounds have real bathrooms and showers. Is this part of the trout pond? Like, does it go under?
Catfish pond. They're not connected. This is what's called the catfish pond. You can fish it.
This is 50. It's a long back end. Very long. There's no one across from you. And here is 49. Another long back in. And 48. We're up by the boat launch, and they do have a fish cleaning station up here. And then this is the Marina Grill. It is open. Today's a Saturday. There's some tent sites over that way. Fountain drinks, hot dogs, brisket, sausage, ice cream, pizza. And this is the marina up here. You can see there's a gas pump. That's the boat launch.
Only 87 and it's $6.99 a gallon right now.
So there you go. 87, $6.99 a gallon if you couldn't see it. Today's September 21st, 2024. Ooh, movie night. Let's go check out movie night. Weekend movie night. Tonight's movie is Toy Story 3. And it's at the amphitheater. Store has just about everything you could want. Sweatshirts, swim gear, shoes, ice, bait, chairs, sunscreen, chapstick, charcoal, fire starters, teepee, firewood, kids' clothes. Check out these turkey vultures in the tree.
Deer on again?
Mm-hmm. That's one of the deer. Oh, there's some more right there. There's a total of 5 of them. There's 3 of them out right now at least.
Brandon will cook. Huh.